Assalamualaikum viewers, today we will teach you how we can test earthing of the pit. Here we use the digital earth tester. Your meter should be calibrated. I can show you. This meter is calibrated. Okay, here is the due date for the calibration is 6th January 2022. Okay, so then we have three cables, one red, second one is yellow, and third one is green. Green is inserted in E, then P port yellow, and then in C the red one. Okay, in the earth pit, one rod and one earth cable. Okay, green is connected with the earth rod. The earthing with the cable and rod should be different. The value should be in between 1 to 10. Here from the 6 meter apart we connect two cables, yellow, and in the same line 6 meter apart the red one. Okay, now I am going back for the earth test. The connection is complete. Right now I will do the test. I will switch on the earth tester, and now I do the earth test. It's okay, 6.06, and the earthing is okay. Okay, because its value is greater than 1 and less than 10. Now we will check with the rod. It should be different. Okay, firstly switch off. Now remove the earthing wire from rod to the earthing cable. Okay, connection complete. Now I will do the earth test. Switch on, then do the test. Yeah, it's a 1.46 almost. Okay, so this is the way how we can calculate the earth. Thank you viewers, please subscribe my channel.